What is up, you guys? We have a new product to unbox today, and it is the Insta360 X4. And I don't want to waste any more time, so cue the intro. Hey everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video. I know I've put out a lot of unboxings recently, but we've just got more and more unboxing products coming in, and so this product might just be my favorite unboxing to date. I don't know if I've been this excited for an unboxing before. For those of you that don't know, the Insta360 is an 8K 360 degree action camera that allows you to shoot all angles, and it also moves around for you if you needed to follow an object or something. But it can also be used as a regular camera too, and it shoots in 4K, 8K, and 11.8K for 360 footage. It's got this really portable design, and you can basically just take it anywhere. You can put it on your bike. It even comes with a selfie stick, or wait, no, it doesn't come with a selfie stick, but I recommend that you get a selfie stick because it's easier to hold it. And you can put it on your boat, you can put it on your snowboard. It shows all these pictures on the back, and right off the bat, we've got these facts over here: 72 MP 360 degrees photo, 4K 60 FPS single lens mode, so you can use it as a regular camera as well. And it's got removable lens guards, and it is waterproof to 33 feet. So I've got my scissors, and let's just go ahead and cut this open. So they've wrapped this box in a sort of plastic, and I'm going to cut it through this gap. So I've made a small opening. I'm just going to rip it. Now that it's out of the wrapper, this is the packaging and the box. So now we can lift this up. Oh man, this is really cool. They've got the Insta360 action cam right here once you take off the box. And yeah, so right here it says think bold, and it says they have their own app, they have video tutorials, and they have a user manual. I did not think that would happen. I thought it was probably secured in the box, but I guess not, so just be careful. Don't put the inside of the box upside down when you're opening it up. And so here's what the action cam actually looks like. And I think it looks pretty good. It's very small, so easy to fit in your pocket. Now, they have this second box right here that says Think Bold, and it has a QR code up here. I'm going to go ahead and open that. I cut it open, and right here we've got our standard lens guards. We've also got a case. I think this is the waterproof case that makes it waterproof. No, this is just a travel case, actually. And it opens up with a zipper like this, and it has a lot of stuff inside. I don't know what this is. This is the grip cover right here. So I guess that makes it easier to grip so it doesn't fall out of your hand. So that concludes our full unboxing of this product. And it comes with a lot of stuff. It also has some instructions for SD cards if you don't want to immediately transfer them to your device. This can actually store the memories that you film or photograph. And yeah, so it looks pretty good. If you're getting this though, I definitely recommend buying a selfie stick. Thank you so much for watching till the very end. Make sure to like and subscribe and do all that good stuff. See you.